Welcome to SK Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 27, 2021 in 6th grade. 9 we have already here. The 9 not possible these cells. Then 9 will come here. 6th row and 7th row we have 8. 8 is not possible these cells, these two cells. Then 8 will come here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Four will not come in these cells. Then 4 will come here. And 9 will not come in the cell. Then the 9 will be here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 7th row we have already 4 here. Then 4 will not come this cell. 4 will be here. 6 will be below. 7th row we have already 6. 6 will not come in this cell. It will come here. Then 5 will come in this cell. 4th grade, 1 number remaining. Then number 5 will be come in this cell. 7th row, only 1 number remaining. Number 1 will become, number 1 will come here. We completed 7th row. Column E, column G we have already 7. Can't come this cell. Can't come this cell. Then 7 will be here. 3 already be here. Can't come in this cell. It will come here. In center grid only 6 number only remaining. Then 6 will come here. Also we finished 6th row and 5th row and 7th row also. Column G we have 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 8. Later we will verify, later we will confirm. Then grid 2 only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4 will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column D we have 1 and 7. Can't come in this cell. Also column G also we have 1 and 7. Can't come this cell. Column H also we have 1 and 7. Can't come this cell. They will come both the cells 1 and 7. Then row 2 we have 3 numbers remaining, 3, 5, 6. We have already third grid we have already 3 here. Then can't come this cell. Second grid also we have 3. Can't come this cell. Then 3 will be come here. Then 5, 6 will be in the cells. We have 3 in this cell. Also column D also we have 3. Can't come these cells. Also 10th row also we have 3. Can't come this cell. Then 3 will come here. Ninth row also we have 3, can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 3, can't come these cells. Also column H also we have 3, can't come this cell. Then 3 will be here. Column B we have 8, column D also we have 8, then can't come these cells. Then 8 will be here. 10th row we have 8 and 1, then can't come this cell. Then 8 will come both the cells. Then E column only one number remaining, 4 will be here. Then column D we have 7, can't come this cell. Also column H also we have 7, can't come this cell. Then 7 will be here. If he comes 7, can't come this cell. 7 will be here. Then 1 will be here. Then column C we have only one number remaining. Number 1 will be here only. Third row we have already 1 will be here. Then 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 will be below, 4 will be above. Then 10th row only 2 numbers remaining, 5 and 6 will become both the cells. Column B we also we have 4, can't come these cells. Row also we have 1 4, can't come this cell. Then 4 will be here. Then column B we have 9, can't come these 2 cells. Then 9 will be here. Then column I and J we have 2 9, then can't come these cells. Also D column also we have 9, then can't come this cell. Then 9 will be here. In first grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Then B column only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 8th row already we have 7, then can't come this cell. 7 will confirm here. Then 1 will be here. If he come 1 here, then can't come this cell. Then 1 confirm and 8 also confirm. Column J and column I we have 4, then can't come this cell. E also 4, then can't come this cell. 8th row also we have 4, then can't come this cell. Then 4 confirm. In 8th row we have 8, also column I also we have 8, then can't come this cell. Then 8 will confirm here. Column I and J we have 8, then can't come these cells. Then 8 will be here. If you come 8, can't come this cell. 8 confirm here. In 4th row we have 7, then can't come this cell. Also column I also we have 7, then can't come this cell. Then 7 will confirm here. Then column J only 1 number remaining, number 6 will confirm here. If he confirm 6, then can't come this cell. 6 above, below 5 will confirm. In third grid we have already 6, then can't come this cell. 6 will be here, 5 will confirm here. Column H we have 5 here, then can't come this cells, then 5 will confirm. If you 5 will 9th row we have 5 already, then 5 can't come this cell, 5 will be above, 6 will be below. Ninth row only one number remaining, number 2 will be here. In 8 in this grid 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. We have already 5 here, then 5 will be here, 6 will be here. Then 10th row only one number remaining, number 6 will be here. In this grid only one number is remaining, number 2 will be here. Then column I only one number remaining, number 2 will be here. Second grid only one number remaining, number 5 will be here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also please like and share this video. Thank you very much.